Hey guys, it's my beautiful wife who's like 9 and how many days pregnant?
9 and 6.
9 and 6 days pregos.
Oh wait, no, not 9 and 6. It's 39 and 6.
39 weeks and 6 days. And she's out trooping it. We were just cruising around Saturday morning to a little car show out at Resto Rods, which is a sick custom hot rod shop in Garden City, which is like Boise area. So let's go ahead and see what's out here. Also, guy David, he follows me on YouTube, recognized us, so shout out to you, David. Thanks for watching the channel. It's like super appreciated support and really awesome meeting you and your kids. So all right, let's check out some cars. Dude, yes, my dad would be in heaven here. Stingray, beautiful. There's Randy's Cayman. See if I can find Randy. He's in the PCA club for this area. Here's my little guy. Got not much parking left, which is cool. There's a lot of people here, so try to put the Euro Porsche in the mix with all the muscle cars. Whoa, this thing's sick. Rat rods, these things are savage. Camaro back there, Nova. Look at all these cool cars. Pretty sick. Old Porsche 914. Woo, thing's cool. So here's restoration rods. If you're looking to get any work done on your muscle car or a race car, whatever it may be, this place is awesome. You've got a cool showroom as well. Man, got a new C8 out here. Woo. Excuse me. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh. This is like my dad's dream car right here. Beautiful. Old Porsche. Represent. This is basically what we gotta get rebar on.
Yeah, so that's just
New C8. There's a new quote. Oh no, oh my gosh. I thought it was a C8. It's a Ferrari. Wow, Shelby. Idiot. Don't hate on me. Obviously I don't know my luxury supercars. It's a 488 GTS. Those are sick. It's definitely pretty, huh? Mm-hmm. I think if I did go like exotic, I would go with one of those. Whew. How you doing? Good. Good catch, babe. And found the car show on Facebook today.
I did. You were gonna take us somewhere pretty lame.
I know.
I'll say what it was.
Skyline R30 was R32. I'm looking like a noob out here, not knowing my cars. This right-hand drive, isn't that cool? These are very popular cars. That's what Josh Doherty wants. Wow, so many sick cars. I'm in like candy store. Look at this Woody over here. Fiero, more Camaros. Oh my gosh. This thing is beautiful. Isn't that cool? I feel like your grandpa would love
I
that.
like this one just because it reminds me of
A little San Clemente car or something. Yeah. Dang, we got quite a good car scene nowadays. It's coming up. Boise's coming up on the map. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and FaceTime Rebar Ron because he would just flip right now. Yeah, there's like a cool event to do. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Where's Jeremy Whalen? He's not out here, huh? We gotta bring him out. So sick. And then inside Resto Rods, they got such a rad setup in here. I come in here and just drool. Oh my gosh, they got a 4G. What? would be down. All these Mustangs. The owner is a big Mustang fan. He owns some of the coolest, well-built Mustangs in the area, and in some cases in the nation, from some of his awards he's got. There's that Shelby logo. Pretty cool. Beautiful. Jeez. Oh my gosh, this thing is so loud. Turnout.
Yeah.
Lots of cars for the family members.
Yeah, Ronald McDonald fundraiser
Steven.
did not disappoint.
Yeah. Steven's car and rebar run.
We found them. A Chevelle and a
Found 'em.
Camaro.